Shit. I bet I'm the only one out scrapping right now. You sad sack loafer slackers. A little rain ain't gonna hurt you. And you might just get a washing machine in the rain. Washing machine, water, rain, water. It's like it's meant to be. Asshole. Well, good afternoon, Scrap for Cash Army. How about let's go do some Monday afternoon scrapping, see what we can find, shall we? See what happens. I anticipate a lot of scrap and well, a lot of scrap. Let's see if we can get her some, shall we? You know, this is the kind of things that happen at dumpsters, and it's early in the morning, folks. So I'm in this dumpster here. I'm in an apartment complex, and this woman comes out of nowhere. I'm assuming she's on drugs or something. She comes out of nowhere and says, "Hey, I'll give you oral sex and a bag of Skittles if you can give me a cigarette." You know, I'm sitting there going, you know, what in the hell? What is wrong with this world? I mean, I just don't, I don't know what's happening, man. This stuff's gone crazy. Anyway, yeah, she went over that way somewhere. Well, something. Thank you.
Yeah, if you just want to follow me,
I'll follow you.
I'll pull up and you can pull in kind of like, I'm on the very end.
Okay.
So we'll be bringing them, they're in the backyard there. There's like in between the house and the backyard and then the garage.
Right.
So if you just want to pull into like, kind of to the garage there, we'll be able to pull them in. I'll pull my Jeep up forward so
Okay.
you can have a spot to park. Just follow me.
I'll back it in. Thank you. Block nobody's all.
Yeah, just give enough room for people to go through. And you
Yeah, that's all I want to do is make sure I'm not blocking nobody.
I have a dolly in the house I have to go rustle up.
Okay. Okay.
But I can show you. I can just show you what I've got here. And you can take that with you too if you want.
I'll take that too.
So the dryer, it's fried.
Okay.
This washer is actually, I have to dump it. It's got water in it.
Yeah, I can get that.
The washer was working.
Okay.
So the dryer was gone.
Dryer's gone though.
Dryer's
Gotcha. All right.
You think you can walk it without the dolly?
No, I'll need the dolly for that one for sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Think you'll be able to fit that other one?
I can get the other one. I'm gonna try to do a little rearranging here. Make this just a little bit better. Man, this thing here is really, there's a point where I can't wait to take that apart. This might work. Jesus. No, you're not falling off. You're going right there. That's all perfect. Fits perfect. Now, I'm sure stoners of the state are rejoicing. You know, because it's all about the marijuana. I don't smoke. I did when I was 15, 16 years old. Smoked it one time, made me sicker than a dog. Can't stand the smell of it. Do I care if somebody else is high while driving on the highway? Yeah, that's a little concerning. It's kind of the same reason why I guess they don't want you drinking and driving or shooting up on the highway. I don't understand the thought process. Maybe it's just me. I remember when I used to see deer up through here. Ain't seen any deer out there in a long time. Probably right before rifle season started. Reckon they know? Still sitting on the scale. Still sitting on the scale. They may close before I get off the scale. Been here like a really, really, really long time.
You're only allowed to come once a day.
That's what she said.
That is.
Thank you, brother.
They talk about you inside, right?
And the drive-through, or?
Yeah. They love the hell out of you.
That's different. on the scale. Still sitting on the scale. They may close before I get off the scale. Been here like a really, really, really long time. I'm still sitting here on the scale. I don't think I put in enough gas. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
Hey, she got me. Nobody, it's very few people do get me, but she gets me. She said so. I got you. What a gal. Asshole.